Namaskaram, welcome back to my channel on day 5. When the season is giving us some juicy and tangy oranges, let us make some orange smoothie with my own innovative way. So, without taking much of your time, let's get started. To prepare this smoothie, take 3 oranges. I have taken 3 big oranges and de-seeded them completely, and I'm just checking whether any seeds have left. There are no seeds because the seeds will make the smoothie bitter. So please check once before adding it to the blender. Add 1 carrot. I have taken orange carrot to get the orange color. If you want, you can use the red ones which are in season now. Add 1 apple, peeled and diced. Adding apple is optional. I have added to get the smooth texture and to get the nutrient benefit. Here comes the hero of winter season, amla. Poor amla has very less importance and the hidden ingredient of this smoothie. Your kids won't even come to know that there is amla in this smoothie. I have taken just half of the amla. I'm adding 1 cup of ice cubes. Suddenly the weather in Pune has become very hot, so we thought let's have some chilled smoothie today. I'm adding half a cup of water. This is one of my best smoothies. I can have it every day. This easy smoothie is an immunity booster. Have this every day to get amazing health benefits. After having this smoothie, you feel refreshed, you feel energetic all over the day. Look at the gorgeous orange color. See, the food we eat to be always appealing to our eyes, isn't it? And at the same time, the taste cannot be compromised at all. Actually, we can have this as it is without straining, but there are tiny bits of carrot pieces that disturbs while having this smoothie. So that is the reason I thought let me strain and squeeze out all the pulp. I make this much quantity for 3 people in the family. Adjust the quantity of fruits as per the family count. Our immunity booster carrot and orange smoothie is ready to be served. This tasted just yum. To enhance the taste, you can even add 1/4 teaspoon of black salt. Hope you all like my smoothie recipe today. If at all you like, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Let's catch up tomorrow. Until then, take good care of yourselves. Bye.